Hey everyone, and welcome to Upgrading Way. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of stock market interviews. Before starting the interview, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. Let's get started on making you a stock market interview pro. Explain the difference between the primary and secondary markets.
The primary market is where companies issue new shares for the first time through initial public offerings (IPOs). Investors buy directly from the company. The secondary market is where existing shares are traded between investors on exchanges like the NYSE or Nasdaq.
What are some factors that can affect the stock market?
Many factors can influence the market, including economic conditions, interest rates, GDP growth, company earnings, geopolitical events, investor sentiment, and even social media trends.
What are some of the risks associated with investing in the stock market?
Stock prices can fluctuate, leading to potential losses. Other risks include company-specific issues, industry downturns, and overall market crashes.
How do you approach portfolio diversification?
Diversification is key to mitigating risk. I would spread investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, industries, and company sizes to avoid overexposure to any single area.
Explain how you would analyze a company before investing in its stock.
I would consider financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement to assess the company's financial health, profitability, and growth potential. I would also research industry trends, competitive landscape, and management effectiveness. Common metrics include price to earnings ratio (PE), price to book ratio (PB), and enterprise value (F2 EBITDA), earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. These ratios help compare a company's value relative to its earnings or assets.
What are your thoughts on the future of the stock market?
The future is uncertain, but the stock market has historically grown over time. There will likely be ups and downs, but new technologies and a growing global economy could fuel future growth. It's important to stay diversified and invested for the long term.
What are some of the current economic factors that could be impacting the stock market?
Inflation and interest rates.
Inflation and interest rates. Rising inflation can erode company profits and investor returns. Central banks raising interest rates to combat inflation can also dampen stock prices.
Geopolitical events.
Geopolitical events. Global instability, like the war in Ukraine, can create uncertainty and risk aversion in the market, leading to volatility.
Economic growth.
Economic growth. A strong economy with healthy GDP growth and low unemployment typically benefits the stock market. Conversely, a slowing economy can raise concerns about corporate.
Well done, Sachin. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.